MP38 and MP40 machine pistols, 0.3 inch, 9mm, caliber 0.35 inch, cartridge 0.35 by 0.75 inch parabellum, muzzle velocity 1,247 feet per second, firing rate 400 rounds a minute, weight with full magazine 7.9 pounds, magazine capacity 32 rounds, operational range 219 yards. This weapon, often incorrectly called the Schmeisser MP, originated in 1938 at the request of the German Tank Corps, which, as a result of its experiences in the Spanish Civil War, was looking for a close combat weapon. Even in later models, the origin of the MP38 as a weapon for tank crews is still clear in the form of the nose under the barrel, which was designed to hook into firing slits, and the downward pointing box magazine. For infantrymen who had to shoot lying down, this type of magazine was a real hindrance. The designer of the weapon was not, as is often assumed, Hugo Schmeisser, but Heinrich Vollmer, who was working at the Irma or Erfurter Maschinenfabrik weapons factory. In the MP38, the wooden stock that was usual up to that time was dispensed with, and the pistol was made completely out of metal and plastic. Also, the shoulder stock was foldable for the first time to allow better handling in a small space, another indication of its origin as a weapon for the Tank Corps. The MP38 was rated as an excellent forward-looking design that was easy to operate with good accuracy and stability. However, if not well maintained, it tended to jam during loading, and the safety record of the pistol gave rise to criticism because of its ability to cause accidents time and again. Since the metal parts of the MP38 were machined, the manufacturing costs were extremely high. From 1940 onward, a version, therefore, appeared that was manufactured using sheet metal pressing technology, the MP40. This model was also meant to remove the weak points of the MP38, but in this it was not altogether successful. Nevertheless, the MP38 and 40 were well liked by troops, since they had significantly higher firepower than the Mauser 98K standard carbine. To provide a further increase in firepower, the model MP41 was developed with a magazine that was twice the size, i.e., with 64 rounds, but this design proved not to be effective. The MP38-40 was never available in sufficient numbers. Even the paratrooper units were mainly equipped with the Mauser 98K carbine. By the end of the war, around 1 million MP38-40s had been produced. So as an example, here's this picture here. The MP40 in Stalingrad. So here's a Kraut, pardon me, German soldier, MP40. He's smiling. I don't know, a Kraut having a good time in Stalingrad. Okay, good, alright. There's another German soldier, MP40. Here's the shoulder strap. You can see it there. See the box magazine, shoulder strap, box magazine. And that's been an MP38-40 production.